Good evening. Today we'll learn how to launch an EC2 instance on AWS Cloud. For launching an instance, we need to create an account, and for account, we need to have a credit card. As you all can see, I've already created the account, so let's get going by clicking on Services. We'll select EC2. In the resources, we are going to select instances running. As you all can see, at this particular time, there isn't any instance running, so we are going to launch our own instance. For launching an instance, we need to fill in the following details. First, we'll enter our name. Next, we'll select the operating system. Here I'm going to select Windows. As you all can see, there are various other options given such as Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Red Hat, etc. You can select anything. As I've selected Windows, the following configuration of Windows is given here. Next, we are going to select the instance type. There are various other instance types given. Here I'm going to select T2.micro because it is free. You can select any. Now we are going to create a new key pair. We'll understand key pair later. The name of the key pair needs to be unique. I've entered the name and I'll keep the private key file format as .pem. As you all can see, I've successfully downloaded it in .pem format. Next, we can make changes in the network settings. I'm going to create a new security group. Here, as you all can see, the IP addresses are given on how to access to my instance. If we select anywhere, then we can access to the instance from anywhere. If it is custom, then we can make customizations on how to access to the instance. And if it is given my IP, then it gives the IP address of my particular device. Here we are going to select anywhere. The configuration of storage is given here, and also advanced detail is given, but for now we are going to launch the instance. So as you can see, we are launching the instance. Okay, so we have successfully launched the instance. Let's click on that. Okay. So as you all can see, we have successfully launched the instance. Now since the instance state is running, we'll connect this to device. We'll select and then we'll enter to connect. We'll go to RDP client and then we'll download the remote desktop file. As you can see, the remote desktop file is created. We'll click on get password. We'll click on upload private key file. Then we'll select the .pem file that we had created earlier and then we'll open. And then we'll click on decrypt password. Now we need to copy this password for making the further additions. We have copied the password. Then we'll go to the files. We'll click on this. We'll click on connect, and you can see it is asking for the password. Now I'll paste the password that we had selected. Now I'll click on OK. Okay, as you can see, it is taking a few seconds to launch. So here we can see that we have launched our instance successfully, and also we have connected it, and you can see that the OS here is Windows, and as we choose the option, so we are using AWS. With using AWS, you can create an instance and connect it to the device. Okay. Thank you.